how to create Instagram business account from personal page. Okay, so uh, Instagram, Instagram business.com. Okay, so create a business account. So create a business account. Okay, and press. So get your business step on Instagram. So become one of more than 200 million business account that people visit every day. Okay, so get real time instant track your account performance using real time data and learn what working well with you audience. So share contact information. People come to Instagram to build main full relationship with brand. Invite them to get interest when they visit your account. Okay. So sell their direct city on Instagram with 70% of shopper looking Instagram for their next purpose. It's time to open up a shop ring here. Okay, so with your community, build a relationship with a customer through interactive stick on stores and on damage conversation. So you great. Okay, set up your Instagram business account and in setting find account and tap swift to professional account track and category that best describe your business, then select business. Okay, so you have got Instagram business account. Now complete your profile using the tips. So create an account. Okay, so click and account. So getting Instagram on business. So set up business account on Instagram. Okay, so first of all on Instagram you convert your personal profile to a business account to access future factors that can help you grow your business. Notice your Instagram account. So thank you everyone. Okay.